The Waterspecialist EDR1RXD1 Water Filter delivers refrigerator water quality that closely matches original manufacturer filters, with consistently clean, fresh-tasting water and ice. Its coconut shell carbon block media does an impressive job of cutting chlorine and common tap water odors, which makes a noticeable difference if your municipal water has a chemical taste. The filter housing is made from food-grade bisphenol A-free materials and is independently certified for lead-free construction, which adds peace of mind for everyday family use. Installation is straightforward and tool-free in compatible refrigerators, and the filter locks into place securely without drips or leaks once seated properly. The cartridge is engineered with a high surface area carbon block that maintains strong flow while still trapping fine particulates and off flavors over its service life. It is cross-compatible with a wide range of Whirlpool and Kenmore style models, making it a convenient multi-pack option for households that prefer to keep several replacements on hand.